Now we're going to look at the Renpho Shiatsu Foot Massager. As you can see, here's the box just here. Great packaging again by Renpho. Take a bit more look at it, and there's a bit more about the features and the different colors that it comes with. So, and there's more about the technology as well, kind of about what it can do. So let's go and take a look at the box. We'll go through these in the review later as well. So open it up. Now again, Renpho always package their products very, very well. As you can see, there it is, just there. I'm going to take this out. Show you guys. So we can see there's a Shiatsu Massager just there. Now there's the power cord as well. You can see this is where you're going to put your feet in as well. So again, you've got the instruction booklet too, which you can use to use it. So let's plug this in quickly. So that's where the power plug goes in. Don't be like me, I couldn't actually find it just then. And that's these massagers there. So you turn it on, and to start with, you've got the power button on there as well. You turn that on. Now you've got different settings as well. So you've got the timer on here. You've got the knead intensity. So knead intensity is basically how this kneads your feet. So you can turn that up. And you can feel going at the front of the foot there. We'll obviously do a full review in a minute. You can turn it up higher and turn it really high. You can really feel that getting right in there. And the air intensity as well. So you've also got the air intensity here, which you can change different settings on, which adds the air to it, which is great. And you've also got heat as well, which you can put on and off as well. So you can see that working both feet there. So really is, I mean, look at that. What a quality build. Look at that, fantastic. It's heavy, but not too heavy. You can still carry it around. And these are washable too, which is very important. You want to make sure that when you're using these things, you can actually wash these too, because you don't want to be, using other people's feet. So that's completely washable. That all comes off as well. So just like this. Could you hear that just then? You could hear the air come through just then as well. So yeah, all washable as well.